Welcome to this video. I'm going to discuss my process of making this low poly character. Add a cube and use the auto mirror add-in. Now start with the tracing of the middle part of the character. This is very easy step. Similarly, trace for the legs, and give the appropriate shape of the overall body. Now add a loop cut in the middle of the body. This will help us to give curve to the body. And select few faces to extrude the hand. And use loop tool to give circular shape to the selected faces. Take your time and extrude the hand carefully. I am going to make very simple fingers and thumb just by extruding from the hand. Now select the face which is in the place of the belt and extrude along the normal. Here I will make the neck and face by simply tracing the image. Later I have worked on the model and improved it a bit. You can check the model on my Sketchfab. Now in every few minutes take a look at the overall shape of the body and improve the shape it accordingly. Now make few loops on the head, and select few faces on the sides to make the ear. Go to the sides and try to give shape of the head. To make the hair, select the top of the head and duplicate it and shape it according to the image. To make the eyes, select faces based on the image and make the inset, and then extrude it. Take your time and shape it so that it matches the image. Similarly, make the space for the mouth, and later on for the nose. I will add some extra loop at the place of the elbow and knee so that it can be animated properly. This is the easy way to make it work for the animation. Here I will correct the hair part. Later I have worked on the model and improved it a bit. You can check the model on my Sketchfab. In the next part of this video, I have textured this model. So don't forget to subscribe for the second part. Thanks for watching. In next video, I will texture this character using my gradient color palette.